is the night, every night, for the Iowa Western men's soccer team. The reigning Midwest District champs dropped in 13 wins last season, just one loss.
Stop being afraid of getting beat.
With a dozen or so guys back with starting experience, the future looks bright.
I think it's a standard we built over the years. It just, I think people understand what it takes to play at Iowa Western. Hope I don't mess it up. So, yeah, that's the best thing I tell you. It's a good group. The returners, I've got a lot of guys in the back that understand what it takes, that, have been through a lot. And we've got, a really talented team, top to bottom.
Do it all. Mike makes us run, makes us play, makes us take a long. We can do whatever.
He's tough.
Very.
What do you make of your coach?
I love him, but a little hard, but I think it makes us better.
Hard.
Can this team create if Plan A breaks down?
Yeah. I think the coaches are really preparing us for every scenario possible, and it's just going to be up to us to go out there and do whatever it takes.
Trains everything, right?
We had a lot of guys that were little boys, and I've seen them kind of grow up to men, and that's something I'm just really proud of and proud of them.
The Reivers kick off the 2026 regular season with 3 straight at home, beginning with Hawkeye, August 22nd, 6 o'clock, in the first of many Night of Nights.
Item on 3, 1, 2, 3. Item!